In this project, we will be making a smoke detection alarm system and automatically open the ventilation using Tinkercad. In this project, we are using an MQ2 smoke sensor which will sense if there is a smoke nearby. If smoke is nearby, then the buzzer will start beeping and the red LED will light up and a warning will be displayed on a web page which will be created using a Wi-Fi module. And the LCD will show the sensed range of value. It works by the MQ2 smoke sensor, which will give the output in the form of analog voltage. The greater the gas concentration, the greater the output voltage. The lower the gas concentration, the lower the output voltage. We have set a condition in our code that if the output value of the sensor is greater than 400, then the buzzer will start to beep and the red LED will light up. And if the output value of the sensor is less than 400, then the buzzer will remain quiet and the green LED will light up. The smoke detector developed in this project not only invokes an alarm but also activates an automated opening and closing of ventilation in home to avoid the dangerous situation of gas. So that smoke could be removed with immediate action. The Arduino sketch manages to read sensor data from the MQ2 gas sensor, which compare the sensor value, display sensor data on a character LCD, invoke alarm through an LED, and operate DC motor in response to intense smoke by automatic opening of ventilation in the home for reducing the spreaded gas effect. So, in simulation, when we start the simulation, we can see the smokers nearby in the sensor. So when we move this sensor far away, here the LED shows a green color and there is no opening of ventilation. When we move towards this sensor, it shows the LED in red color and a warning of dangerous level can be seen. And um, this motor can be opened. So this is the working of the system. So we are using an MQ2 sensor which is sensitive for methane, butane, LPG, smoke and inflammable gases. Here we are using MQ2 sensor to detect smoke. When a gas interacts with a sensor, it first ionized to its constituents and is absorbed by the sensing element. This absorption creates a potential difference on the element. The sensor output the voltage that is proportional to the concentration of the smoke. In other words, the greater the concentration of gas, the greater is the output voltage. The resistance of the sensor is different depending on the type of the gas, and the sensitivity can also be adjusted using a bit in potentiometer depending on how accurate the gas detected. The output can be an alert signal that can be read with the analog output, and also the ventilation will be open.